Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of this Yi Mini Dash camera. I actually bought this in Penang and brought it over to, well, use it for my European trip, but I never got around to unboxing it, and subsequently I never got around to using it for my trip. But now, since I do have some free time, let's go ahead with the unboxing of this Yi Mini Dash camera. So on the front of the box, it says Yi, a picture of the camera, and Mini Dash camera on the bottom. Nothing on the sides and the top and bottom. But on the back, it says Yi Mini Dash camera. You have a QR code, your specifications, barcode, color, and all that. So I have a pair of scissors right here. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. Alright, so if I can get it out. Okay, so right on top is the dash camera itself. Does feel pretty lightweight, so put that aside. Beneath the tray is the user's guide, limited warranty information, and a Yi sticker. Further inside, excuse me, here we have the thing that plugs into the cigarette lighter or power outlet in a car. This would be the USB cable to micro USB cable for plugging it in to this, charging it, and stuff like that. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this new Yi Mini Dash camera. Thanks for watching and goodbye.